So what we're going to do today is we're going to deconstruct the learning targets in this unit. First learning target says I can measure volume by counting unit cubes or improvised units. Our first step in analyzing that learning target is knowing what the words mean. So at your table group, you have a piece of paper with the learning target on it. I would like for you guys to circle the key words in the target statement, underline the verbs, and define what words are unknown to you.
I can measure volume by counting unit cubes and or improvise units. Measure counting unit cubes. Unit cubes is not like it's not. Yeah, it is. It's very
It's improvised.
What is improvised
Units.
Like.
So you're having trouble with improvised. That's one that we had trouble with the other day. Okay, improvised units. So instead of measuring volume by counting with unit cubes, do you know what unit cubes are?
Oh, you can make it up without a plan on like a piece of paper.
Well, what's a unit cube? Those little blocks, the little yellow blocks for measuring. So an improvised unit would be another type of cube to measure volume. So it could be like a 3 foot by 3 foot cube. Like if you have some boxes and you want to measure volume. Do you know what volume is? Okay, look and see if you can look up what volume is. Let's kind of share out what we came up with and maybe we can help some of the other groups. Okay, what words did you not know the meaning of? Some of the words you didn't know the meaning of.
Didn't really understand volume and improvised.
Okay, volume and improvised. Okay, any other words you didn't know? Did you guys know what unit cube was?
Yeah.
Oh, I can tell that.
Fiza?
A unit cube is the cube in the shape that you can use to measure volume.
Okay, so guys, remember these? These are like unit cubes. You can use that to measure volume. But what's volume? The amount of space that something takes up. Okay? Can you try to, I want to see, can you put the learning target statement in your own words?
How about I can measure volume by using unit cubes.
Well, that's kind of like the same.
Yeah, I know. I can measure the whole amount of space by using unit cubes or what's the median?
Or using materials that are around.
Yeah, I have already.
Anna Brennan, Isabella Arden. This is good. I can measure the whole amount of space that is occupied by using unit cubes and materials that are around.
So what did you guys change from the original target? What words did you?
We changed volume and actually put the definition because some people like us we didn't know what volume really was. So we also put the definition in there. So like if you don't know what it is.
This one says I can calculate the volume. Oh, there's still. I can calculate the measurement of a cube's volume by using unit cubes. I can measure the whole amount of space that's occupied by using unit cubes and materials that are around me instead of. I like how you guys took the word volume and put it in your own words and then improvise units. I can measure the volume in a 3D shape by counting unit cubes without any practice or being prepared. What would you have without any practice or being prepared?
Well, they kind of did it. We didn't really get to help because they didn't really put us.
Well, why did you guys put that? Is that what improvised meant to you? Okay. So our next step is we're going to develop success criteria. class for projects. This is a checklist. What do I need to have to show success in that? So I'm going to give your group, we're going to start with one example, or actually it's two examples of the same problem. You have student A and student B. So I'd like for you guys, you'll get a copy of this, you can write on it. Examine the examples and discuss which one you think is better and why, and then make a list of criteria for success.
So, you think student B explained it better because, well, student A, he just said, or they just said, I know it because I just counted them. But then student B, they explained why 6, 7, and 8 couldn't just be floating. So there would have to be 2 more behind them, holding them up.
So what would the success criteria be then for what makes this better? What would be the, if it was on a rubric, what would I have to do to be really good at it? Do this. I would have to do what in my example?
It explained more
About
why the answer was correct and reasonable, and then this one just said, oh, I counted all the cubes. But that one explains,
I know it's right because I counted the cubes.
yeah. But this one explains what he did. This one doesn't explain it. It just says, I counted the cubes. But this one, I mean, it does, but you can't.
So what would I write down for my master criteria, success criteria?
I can explain my answer using
using how to use unit cubes. I don't really know how to explain it.
It's hard to explain.
Which one do you think was better, A or B?
B.
Raise your hand for A. Okay, raise your hand for B. What made B better than A? I think we're all in agreement that you said this one was better. Maddie?
Our table said that student B did a better job because he used better vocabulary words. He explained his answer better, and he also squared the inches for the answer. So it says 10, 8.
Does that mean squared or? That's cute. Okay. So he labeled you said labeled the units?
And he also gave the reasons on why his answer was right.
He gave what?
The reasons.
Okay, included reasons. Okay, anything else? Maddie gave me a lot of ideas there. Did anybody have anything else they thought why B was better? Did they get the right answer?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, so correct. What about student A? Did they get the answer right?
Yeah. Student A got the answer right, but student B actually wrote volume rules and actually labeled the units. When student A just wrote 10 cubic inches, they didn't write the volume of it.
But they wrote the volume of the figure above is 10 cubic inches. Here they wrote V equals 10 cubic inches. So is that different? No? What makes this one not as good? What did they do? Abhinav? They were not as descriptive? Okay. And they said, I know this is the answer because I counted all the cubes. Is that what you had to do there, count the cubes? What did they miss, though? What do you think they missed? Rohan? Okay, this student here found there were 2 cubes behind here. And this one, they were just counting the 8 cubes. They didn't put it, but then they had it in their answer. So we don't know how they got that. But here they explained, but then I noticed there had to be 2 cubes on the bottom, the back layer. Therefore, the volume of the entire figure is 10 cubic inches. Okay? So, all the criteria. Do you feel like you understand the learning target better now?
Yeah!
Why do you think you understand it better now? Shanika?
Because now you know what you need to get these answers correct and understand it.
Now you know what you have to be able to do to get the answer correct?